This is Jyn Erso. I would like to share my experiences during the second date with Cassian Andor. For our second date, we went to Burger King. He ordered 5 Big Macs, 3 buckets of fries, and 7 skillets of fried excrement. Once the orders arrived, I again knew instantly, based upon the way he ate, that he was the man for me. Instead of eating the food conventionally through the mouth, he instead took the burgers and fries and stuffed them inside of his underwear. Then he took a soft drink and poured as a kind of glaze inside of his underwear over the food. He then proceeded to fart flatulate with great power so as to further heat the food and the glaze of the soda inside of his underwear. After he was done with this puzzling but attractive procedure, he then proceeded to remove his trousers. He then put his trousers over his head, and with the bulge in his underwear from the many Big Macs and fries bouncing, he climbed on top of the table that we were sitting at and proceeded to jive with it. He put both of his hands over his head and emphasized the swing and gyration of his hips. Eventually, some of the hamburgers tore out of his underwear due to the swinging motion that he induced by the gyration of his hips. The underwear was torn through by the hamburgers that escaped. The hamburgers that were flying subsequently hit an older man in the balls. The man screamed after being hit in the balls and fell over in pain. Upon falling over, the man who was hit in the balls by the burger farted